video will cover the quick, efficient, and reliable use of Tylok's benchtop swaging unit. The benchtop swaging unit kits contain a manual hydraulic pump. This pump is equipped with a female quick connect for ease of use, transport, and storage. Pull back on the female quick connect sleeve and insert the male quick connect side of the hose included with the swaging unit kit. The benchtop swaging unit is light enough to transport around any job site, but also includes a vice tang to secure the unit down if needed. To connect the hydraulic pump to the unit, locate the male quick connect at the back of the unit. Take the hydraulic hose and connect the female in the same fashion as the hydraulic pump. Make sure both sides of the hose are connected and secure. After properly cutting, cleaning, and deburring the tubing that will be pre-swaged, ensure that the ferrules and nut are in the orientation shown. Insert the tubing in the matching swage die, moving the nut and ferrules forward to contact the die. Ensure that the correct size lower insert is in place and in the correct orientation. Take the tubing, die, nut, and ferrules, holding it carefully as at this stage all components can still come apart. Slide the components into the unit from the top down, making sure that the assembly is fully seated in the swaging unit. The tubing to be pre-swaged will be sticking out of the front of the unit. If the tubing is long enough, this may cause the unit to tip forward. Support the tubing without lifting it from the unit if necessary, or use the vice tang to hold the unit in place. If any of the components do not easily slip into position, remove and inspect the assembly, making sure that all the correct size components are being used and the ferrules are in the correct orientation. Take the correct size top insert and place it in the slot over the location of the bottom insert. Check that the release on the manual pump is closed and ready to begin pressurizing the unit. At this point, the unit is ready to swage. Ensure that all participants are clear of the top of the unit. The recommended swage pressures are located on the front of the unit for each size respectively. Due to the variation of tubing and the various wall thicknesses of each size, the recommended swage pressures are a guideline and can be adjusted if there is a significant amount of tube stick in the die or the ferrules are not biting sufficiently. Release the pressure on the hydraulic pump. Remove the top insert, take the tubing out of the unit and remove the swage die. Inspect the ferrules. The ferrules are now pre-swaged and ready to be installed.